Hi, thank you for joining me here today. And today I'm going to tell you what is included in my Done For You Productivity Masterclass. So upon purchase, you will get into this page and you will be getting 3 links. And the first link will lead you to a fully done transcript for the masterclass. So there are 83 slides in this masterclass, and I have the script for every single slide, as you can see over here. So for slide 1, there is a script here, slide 2, slide 3, all the way down to slide 83. And for the yellow sections, you can actually edit it to suit your needs. For example, over here, you're supposed to include your name and your expertise, for example. And so this is link number 1. Link number 2 is the slides. So this is where you will get 83 done for you, fully designed slides. Okay, let's wait for a minute while this loads. 83 slides, as you can see over here. They are fully designed, and every slide comes with a script. So I will show you an example of that. So this is the first slide, and you can see that there is a script written for you over here, script for you on slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, all the way to slide 83. And at the end of every lesson, there will be an activity for your audience so that they can remember the concepts much better. There are 6 lessons in this masterclass. And as you can see, this is an example of the activity that you will get at the end of every lesson. So I've designed this masterclass such that they can get as many productivity tips as possible, the top productivity tips, within about 60 minutes. And this is link number 2. So the next link you're going to get is a link to the fully designed workbook. So there are 23 pages in this workbook. Let's see all the 23 pages. All the activities which are included in the masterclass will be combined in the workbook so that they can access these activities again in future. And these activities will help them to remember the concepts much better as well. They are free to revisit these activities and redo them in future in case they need to refresh their memory or if they want to remember the concepts once again. So these are the 3 things that you will get with my Done For You Productivity Masterclass. You will get a fully done transcript, fully done slides, and a fully designed workbook. So that's all I'm sharing with you today. Bye.